Well, we can't win them all. That would have been absolutely perfect. That didn't happen. Well, I'm gonna sand it anyways, see how it goes. And see exactly what I did there. See that chip? Could be getting right on a crack that's running down that, so well, we'll see what I can do with it. So you probably saw that I was trying to fix this. Got it all nice and sanded down. Really happy. I know it broke. Really happy with how the base turned out. Great. Got lots of depth in those, whatever you want to call them. The base is nice and smooth. Would have stood perfect. Like, this would have been perfect. This was my first attempt, and I don't know what happened. It's tree-like. I'm going for a Christmas tree. That was my closest. This is my first ever on a wood lathe. It was a good test. Soft wood too. Don't know what kind, but it's soft wood. This is maple. And it had a nasty catch on there too. Not as bad. At least I got a finished product, something I can be happy with. This one, I was trying to get the head back on it. I even drilled out the top so that way I can put a rod through the bottom. It's just not worth it. I got more wood, I can make another. This would not fit back in the lathe, so I opted leave that off to the side, and I'll just keep this and look at it and be like, wow, I'm almost there. Man, I just got a little too carried away on that cut and it just snapped off. But so far, I'm happy with what I've done. I'm hoping tomorrow or another day I will be able to finish one of these. So I cannot complain. It's always a learning experience. Hopefully next time we'll have a finished tree for you guys.